Good morning, everyone. Pedro here with another live stream, guys. Just want to welcome you guys to the channel. If maybe it's your first time here, maybe you're new to trading, whatever the case is, I want you to know you have a community you can count on. Welcome to the family. Consider subscribing below and hitting that notification bell and clicking all notifications. My name is Pedro and we do Forex trading live streams every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But want to welcome you guys to the family. I hope you guys are doing well. Let's take a look. Give me 1 second here, guys. We're gonna take a dive. We're gonna dive in deeper in this live stream. We'll make sure we'll stick around a little bit longer today, but wanted to welcome you guys. Okay, so let's take a look here. So for Thursday, we don't have really much news other than at 4:45 p.m. we've got some New Zealand retail sales. But again, even that I don't think will affect anything. Yeah, guys, you guys are having an amazing morning. It's nice. Some opportunities. But like I said, guys, I just wanted to welcome you guys to the family. If it's your first time here, guys, don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. I said if you enjoyed the live stream, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel. So give me 1 second here. As I'm just gonna update some video settings, and then we're gonna dive in deep, guys. I'm gonna let our Telegram group know as well, guys. If you're new to Telegram, guys, or new to the channel, check out our Telegram group. I know maybe you don't even have Telegram, whatever the case is. Check it out. We have an amazing community on there that you can network with, guys, other traders. So make sure you guys check that out. The link is in the video description. Sorry for the little delay there, guys. I was just updating some stuff. But yeah, should be good. Should be good. I'm gonna update the settings here. Let's get it, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Chetan, good morning. Metsia, welcome, my man. Welcome, 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 guys. Guys, do me a huge solid and smash that like button for me, guys. We got 7 people watching right now and only 2 likes. Come on, guys. I'm here every single day for you guys. I really do appreciate the support. Helps me keep doing these live streams. How are you guys doing? Let me know in the chat box below. I hope you guys are doing well. Hoping you're doing well during this week, guys. I hope you had an amazing week. Just waiting for this to line up here, guys, and then we'll get all started. Okay, I think we're good on this end. This looks good. Just waiting for that to load. Perfect. Okay. trying to read here. Give me one sec here, guys. Okay. So I know we have a little bit of news. But that's at 4 p.m. so that won't be affecting anything, guys. Okay, so what happened with GJ? Let's go up to the higher time frame. Let's see kind of where we're at. We could see that we were in a we got a pullback. I was anticipating a pullback yesterday, obviously not as extensive as this, but we did get a nice clean pullback for GJ. However, I would say that this is also a level that we do have to kind of keep an eye out. So we're gonna go up to the we do our top-down analysis just to see where we are in the markets, and you can clearly see that, you know, we pulled back to this level, so the highs of the range, so this major level of structure, we can anticipate some sort of a rejection of this level. If we pierce back into this level, then again we do have to just be mindful and understand that this could be a more complex pullback, but we want to make sure that we're not jumping back in. Just because even if we look here on the daily, you know, we tried to push back up. It was kind of looking like a head and shoulders pattern formation. Came back for the retest of this neckline. Unfortunately, we pushed back up above the range, right? So we need to kind of see what price is trying to tell us here. You know, some traders might say, hey, you know, we're looking at this channel here and it's looking like it's breaking the channel, right? So it could be something that could be a possibility. We do have to realize that as well too, right? So we could just be it could be a little bit more of a complex pullback where it might catch us by surprise, where price might actually be just going back down, right, back into this range, because this is looking pretty bearish. This daily looks for it to, I'm not saying we're into buys yet because we haven't really technically created a higher high, right? So until we don't create a higher high, given we're definitely not looking for buys, right? So what we want to see, and most likely what we will see, guys, okay, is that we'll see price kind of range for a bit. We do need to realize that, right? That, you know, for all we know, we could see GJ come back up, right? And we may just kind of reject this level, come back up to the highs up here, retest these highs. Depending on what happens here, we could see lots of scenarios play out. We could see a double top come, so we may see it retest these highs, which is very typical for price to do sometimes, and retest these highs, create a double top and then break back into the range. Okay, that could be scenario number one. Scenario number two is we come and retest these highs, comes back down, ranges, so we see it continue to range, okay, back and forth, okay, and then it breaks back up, and then we wait on the retest and we look for a continuation of buys, right? So there's lots of ways we can look at how price may move, right? And so we as traders have to really understand how we look at things on the bigger picture, right? So Buddha, yo, let's go, my man. Yo, where them likes at? Yes, greetings, let's go. Yes, let's go, Jason, let's get it, bro, let's get it. Yeah, guys, where are the likes? Come on, guys. Anyways, guys, I appreciate the support. But yeah, you know, if you enjoy these live streams or you're watching me, I really do you guys just smashing that like button, guys, because it does support the channel for sure. So give me 1 second here, guys. could be creating some sort of a fake, and that is something that could be a possibility as well. If we look at the 1 hour time frame as well, we can see that we kind of were forming this kind of like upwards channel. This was something that, give me one sec here, let me just lower this here. This is something that you know, we do have to realize that price is essentially creating, you know, we're creating these higher highs and higher lows. That is something that we can clearly see it right over here, right? And so we've kind of broken slightly just below it, and so we could see a break. And if we see a break, that's something that you do need to realize. At least I would say anything breaking below this level here, so this low over here, okay, we're definitely looking for selling opportunities. So I'm going to highlight this, guys, so that you guys could see it and use it as reference. Okay, we're going to be looking for selling opportunities once price actually breaks below this level structure. We want to see a strong momentum push to the downside. Then we can start looking for selling opportunities for GJ. We can then narrow it down to the 30-minute and the 15-minute. But you can already see there's some sort of a rejection at this given time. So like I said, you know, we need to see a break. Otherwise, I'm not looking for selling opportunities for GJ. Okay, so guys, before we even get deeper and dive in even more, let's take a look at gold. What are we looking at gold? My overall outlook on gold. As you guys know, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Where are we in the markets? This will give us a good understanding of where we can anticipate price to go. Do you guys remember from yesterday's live stream, I told you guys we were looking at a pullback back to the head and shoulders neckline? Do you guys remember this, guys? This was clear. I was very upfront with you guys from the very beginning. I said, hey, this is looking like a head and shoulders pattern formation. And remember, I told you guys yesterday, I'm looking at price coming back up to these highs and retesting this neckline. Do you guys remember that? So as you can see, price went exactly as expected, pretty much over. We had our targets there over 233 pips, right? We were setting our targets a little bit just below out, about 190 pips overall if we would have left your trade running. We were looking at this in the live stream when we started in the morning. So as you guys know, we always take advantage of the markets as much as we can. We try our absolute best to look for the perfect opportunities, guys. You guys know that. And so yeah, that's kind of what we saw. Let's go, guys. We got some, let me just read the comments here, guys. Give me 1 second, just refresh for a second. Also, oh shoot, give me 1 second here. I don't have my tea, but I got my water with lemon. We got the Mexico trip booked. Let's go, guys. We got everything all set up. Give me 1 sec here, guys. Guys, if you enjoy these live streams, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it, guys. Let's get it, guys. Let's go. All right. Okay, so I'm just reading here through the comments, guys. So, okay, we got Tom Brooks. Let's go. See kind of lost. Yes, I know. Crazy. Hey, particular morning. GJ predictions. Double top. We'll see. Okay, nice. We'll take a look at that too in a second too, Tom. So, what's going on with AU? We're going to take a look at AU as well, my man. That's one pair that I look at as well. Guys, welcome to all the new family members that are tuning in. Welcome to La Familia, guys. You guys know we're one big family. We're live every single day, guys. I appreciate you all very, very much. Let's get it, guys. Audio becoming weaker, I think, due to the yes, that's right, that's correct. Gold, beautiful. Pedro, head and shoulders. Yes, that's what I saw. I saw the head and shoulders, guys. We saw that break of the neckline. Then we saw price retest the neckline. And I literally told you guys in yesterday's live stream, I said, this is exactly what I see happening, and price went exactly as expected. And so anyways, this doesn't mean I'm always going to be right, but pretty much 80 to 90% of the time, we as traders can have an advantage or an edge on the markets with our trading plan. As long as we stick with our trading plan, I will teach you guys how to be successful in your own way. Remember that everyone trades differently. Everyone looks at things differently, guys. Yes, we got Laura. Let's go, Goonies. Sister-in-law there. Let's go. Let's go. But yeah, guys, we got everything all set up. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Hello, Coach Sharik. Let's go, my man. Let's get it. We're gonna take a look at gold. I think I'm looking at maybe as of right now, but we'll take a look and we'll dive in a little bit deeper. Okay, Cyril, what's up, my man? Let's go. Okay, so guys, let's dive in deeper. Let's see what's going on with gold. So now that we retested the neckline, we can see that price may be rejecting this level of structure. Now, so let's go and see what's going on with the dollar first. The dollar is really, really important. Depending on what the dollar does, that's going to determine what gold may do, right? We also have to realize that they are very correlated, and that's something that we just have to, it's just a part of it, right? We have to always kind of see what's going on. It's always nice to use it because this gives us an extra added confluence. If the dollar goes down, for example, gold will go up. If the dollar goes up, then gold will go down, right? So in this case, we've broken, believe it or not, we've actually kind of broken below the support level, okay, on the dollar. So this to me is indicating, and if you can see, guys, do you guys see my lines there? Do you guys see that? Look, do you see what I'm saying? Look at the retest. That was a slight little retest, by the way, because this is a 4-hour time frame. But look at the retest. Price came down, retested, and melted. Even look, 7:30, 5 o'clock, 7 o'clock. Look, 7 o'clock right there. 7:30 a.m., 8:39, boom, melted, right? So that's what I'm saying, is understanding how the market moves. I focus on price action. This is what I teach you guys, and I want you guys to be successful in your trading, but you have to listen up. You have to show up, guys. Trust me. Guys, we're at 12 likes. Can we get it to 15 likes? Let's go. Also, welcome to all of our new family members that are tuning in. If it's your first time here, welcome to the family, guys. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. Guys, we're going to dive in pretty deep here, but I'll be honest with you. I think the dollar is going to continue to fall. And if that is the case, I think I think gold may actually push above, which we are kind of retesting this neckline, but don't be surprised if price does not respect the neckline and we actually see gold retest these highs up here, right? Obviously, again, you know, you have to realize that anything could happen, right? Like, with price, we don't have any major news coming out. We don't have anything like that coming out per se that could affect price, but we just have to really look at the bigger picture and understand that these are things that could happen. Okay, we got Tom, Japan beat Germany. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Yo, we got Seed of Life, my man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's go. Give me 1 sec here, guys. Guys, if you're new, don't be shy. Let me know in the chat box. If you're new to the family, if you're new to the channel, don't be shy, guys. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Okay. Let's continue on, guys. We're at 12 likes, guys. Can we get it to 15? We got 20 people watching live right now. Can you guys do me a huge solid? If you enjoy these live streams, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. And what are we looking at with gold, guys? So with gold, we can see, let's start nice and clean, nice and fresh. With gold, we saw what? Some sort of a clean retracement. We saw the head and shoulders pattern formation. We saw a double top. Now we need to realize one or two things, okay? We need to realize that typically especially when we see a double pattern form like this on the 4-hour time frame, we can anticipate a retracement and a retest of this neckline before, excuse me, before price come up. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. And you know what? Let's clear the charts. You guys already saw how I'm looking at it here, but let's clear the charts, that way you guys could see it at a more cleaner, cleaner way. It's much cleaner that way. We need to realize that we may get a pullback, right? So price sometimes will pull back, especially we know that this is the neckline. It'll pull back to this neckline, and then as long as we see rejection of this level structure, okay, we can anticipate a continuation to the upside, and that will be probably the strong push that we need to see a continuation to these highs, right? A retest of these highs. So if we look at the bigger picture, obviously we know that we're getting a rejection of this level too. So that's something that also gives us that added confluence that we may see even on the daily. Look how bullish that looks on the daily. We may just see some sort of a slight little retracement, but we also have to realize that yes, we're at a major level here of support. So we could see over here this level, watch, right? And you can see clearly, okay, you could clearly see we got support, right? Support, a little bit of resistance and support, and it could probably go on further and further and further. But we want to focus on current price action, which is the most important thing, right? So now that we know that on the higher time frames we're pretty much at a level of support, we do also need to kind of realize what direction we are in, right? Because we're also coming back up to this head and shoulders pattern formation, which is the neckline. Okay, so that's also another area where we do need to keep on our eyes out and realize that price may reject this level. Okay, just gonna move that over like that. There we go. This is also a level of structure, and so we are literally retesting it right now as a level of resistance. Okay, and if we go in the past, we could see other areas as well. Look, we got support, we got resistance, lots of different areas where price has respected this level structure multiple times, right? We could clearly see that. You guys see that? Yes. Look on my left. Look on the left where I'm highlighting. Look at this area. We got. Yeah, I know, it's crazy dark out there. It's foggy this morning, guys. So what are we looking at? Look, we got support, resistance, right? So how are we able to scope out these sniper opportunities is that we realize where are we in the markets, right? On the higher time frames. What are we looking at, right? This is what I'm looking at for gold, I'll be honest with you. We could actually see gold probably stop at this level. We got some support here as well. So this is a level where I may see price come back down for gold before we actually push up a little bit higher. Okay. Now, what I may see, for example, the dollar might maybe gain a little bit of strength for gold to push down a little bit lower before it actually pushes down to the downside. Could be a possibility. I don't know. I don't know yet. All right, guys. Members, let's go. Got Pops here. Love you, Dad. Chat. The chat just gonna, as it just reset. Give me 1 second here, guys. Okay, we're at 17 likes. Can we get it to 25? Let's go. Okay, Mario Bros, let's go from in Colombia. Today sucks. Holiday balling, basically. How you doing, bro? I'm doing well, my man. I'm doing well. That's awesome. My wife's from Colombia también. That's sick. That's sick, my man. That's sick. Welcome to La Familia. Guys, welcome to all the new members that are tuning in. Maybe it's your first time here. Whatever the case is, guys, we're live every single day, Monday through Friday. subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I don't miss a single live stream. So what we're looking at here, again, obviously, very similarly, like I said, there's no news. And I think, yes, I think there is some holidays. I know the States is a little bit different. Here in Canada, we already had our Thanksgiving. So I think in the States it is Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's probably gonna, yeah. So that's part of it too. So anyway, so yeah, so the dollar at this point, we may just range all day too, right? So we have to realize that too, right? But overall, I'm seeing it probably reject this level here too with the dollar index, right? Because it kind of broke below. However, this could be a fake out where it comes back down, retests this low, and pushes back into the range, right? If it pushes back into the range, then we'll get that pullback that we need for gold to see a nice clean continuation to the upside. Okay, so let's move on to our British pound pair. We'll do GBP USD, GBP odd. But we saw something happen here potentially. Is we saw a breakout to the upside. We were anticipating a retest. We saw price come back up into the range, which was what we were anticipating. I know some people were looking at sells, but this was something that I mentioned to you guys. If we get a rejection of this level back into the range, price went as we anticipated. We even got the pullback. You can see the pullback over here. However, we didn't respect the resistance area here. So that's something that price ended up going bullish and pretty much retested our high level over here. So we could clearly see it as water. We got that rejection there happen. Give me 1 second here, guys. Are you guys able to hear me well? Yes? Let me know if you guys are able to hear me well, okay? Tom Brooks, Pedro, some encouragement. The more I watch you, you are getting better at this. Like us, you are growing every day. It is good to watch your analysis on gold. Superb. Tom, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Appreciate the love. Man, you've been so supportive. I don't know how many subscribers you started following me, but you started following me, I think when I was like around 500 or 400 subscribers. And but either way, I just want to thank you so much because you've been a huge support. So thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. And yeah, guys, so I know, and the nice thing is, like I said, I'm not even close where I want to be. I'll be honest with you guys. But you know, the fact that I'm able to help you guys in any way possible is a blessing. And you know, we're growing together, right? That's the point of it, is we're growing together and helping each other as much as possible. You know, I try to teach what I know, and you know what could be of help for you guys. And me as a person, as a trader, I'm growing and learning new things each and every day, right? There's no one that is 100%, you know it all. It's just not the case, guys. It's just not the case, right? You're always learning as a trader, and that's type of stuff that you have to realize. Now, okay, guys. So GU, what are we looking at GU? We saw this upwards channel. Now, one of two things that we need to realize. We didn't reject this level of structure. So even on the daily, we are literally pushing above this level. So let me clear the charts for you guys. Okay, you saw that we were in that upwards channel, but you guys need to understand where we are in the markets. I know that sometimes, you know, some of you may be scalpers. You know, I'm a day trader, but you know, some of you might be swing traders. Whatever the case is, understanding where you are in the markets is crucial, because you'll know why sometimes price may pierce above a certain key level, or why price may reject a certain key level, right? We need to realize that, guys, okay? So, you know, this is good, even if, you know, right now the markets it's Thursday, then tomorrow, Friday, you know, the market starts kind of shifting. There's a lot of stuff going on. But even though that is the case, I want you guys to know that it's good to understand where we are. Where are we in the markets, right? I know that when I first started, I didn't really focus so much on the daily, didn't really focus so much on, you know, the 4 hour, the higher time frames. And I was just jumping into trades because I saw the strong momentum push, and then I saw a corrective move, and I was like, okay, this is my time to get in. But then when price would hit the stop loss, I was like, what's going on? I saw the strong momentum, right? But this is why it's important to look at it. And so if you guys look at this closely, okay, what were we doing for the longest time? We know that we were in a downwards channel. We could clearly see it as water, guys. We were in a clear channel here. Let me just kind of correct this here. This is not, there we go. So we were in a clear downwards channel. Price broke above and retested this level, and now we're retesting this level of structure. So at this given time, even in this upwards channel, because it started shifting, okay, the market moves in different waves. Okay, we have to realize that. Look at this. This is another upwards trend or channel, right? And so we have to kind of look at the markets and realize that the market has a way of moving. Okay. And I would say that's kind of a perfect level here. So we're coming literally at a level, pretty much the highs of this channel, number one. Number two, we're coming to a major level of structure, guys. Look at it at the left. We've got support, resistance, and now potential future resistance. However, we may see price come up a little bit higher for the next maybe 2 days. We may see the British pound gain a little bit of strength. Could be a possibility, and that would kind of go with confluence with the dollar gaining, losing strength, which would kind of go in confluence with gold. Like I said, we may get a little pullback back into the range for the dollar index, but with gold, we may get that push back up. And again, keep in mind, gold might create a double top and just retest this high. Doesn't mean that we're already in an upwards trend with gold, guys. Okay, you have to realize that until we don't break, at least I would say, just off the top of my head, until we don't break this high here, we're not in an upwards trend for gold. We're still kind of trending sideways in the bigger picture. Okay, you guys with me on that? Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at overall, guys. We're at 18 likes. Let's go. Oh, shoot, 20. Guys, we're at 20 likes. Let's get it to 25 likes. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's get it. So yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at, guys. Are you guys understanding that? Do you guys see? Is this clear? Is this like, I want to simplify things as much as possible for you guys. Do you see this overall direction of how the market's shifting and stuff? This is how I look at the markets, and this is how I'm able to get clarity in the markets, right? Now look at this. We're above our 80 mark. We're pretty much overbought at this given time. If we start seeing bearish price action at this given time, like for example, even like the 4 hour, still not bearish, like the bulls are still in control, right? So what I want to see as a trader is I want to see probably a little bit more of a push, and then we may see a huge wick, right? Huge wick, and then we see price finally start giving us some bearish price action. Now we may see price come back down, retest these lows over here, right? We see price reject, retest this level structure, and we start seeing a bearish momentum, and probably retest this lower level down here, right? Obviously I can't anticipate the future. I'm not trying to anticipate the future for you guys, but I'm just trying to show you just like what we can anticipate price potentially doing. But obviously we need to see what current price action is trying to tell us. If current price action is saying this is it, that's it, I'm looking for sells now, I'm looking to pull back now, then we look for bearish price action on the 4 hour time frame. Then we jump in on the 30-minute, and we, for example, we wait for a double top to form, and we get in on the neckline, the break of the neckline, right? So there's different ways how we can approach our entries, and I teach this all the time, guys. So you guys know we take trades in our live streams all the time. So even with our gold trade that we took yesterday, you guys saw on the live streams, right? We take it, we see the opportunity, we get in, that's it. Okay. We've got a lot of stuff here to go over, but I'm gonna look at NAS. It's almost 8:30. I'm just gonna show you guys NAS just so that you guys can kind of understand what I'm anticipating for Nasdaq. Okay, now do you guys remember, okay, do you guys remember my analysis here? I said one of two things. If price closes with a strong momentum, look at this, guys. This is crucial data, right? This is my analysis. Okay, this is very, very crucial for you guys to understand how I look at the markets and how we're able to catch these opportunities. Look at this opportunity we had here. Look at this here. Why do I have this here like this? Because I was saying, and I didn't get in on this by the way, I was saying that we needed to see price break below this level structure with a strong momentum push. Then we wait for the retest, okay? And this would have been a perfect sell opportunity on the retest, right? We didn't get that, obviously, clearly. And so we saw price, I said, if we break above this level structure, we retest, and we see a continuation to the upside. And you can clearly see it that even when price came back down, which is, you know, a stronger push, stronger momentum, we still respected this level of structure, and we saw a push to the upside, guys. It's very clear. So even if you would have, when we got that strong momentum, I'm not telling you buys. Did I? No, I said it'll come up, but we wait for what? The retest. Now, when price came back down here and we retested on the 30-minute time frame, what did we see? We saw price respect this level structure, which would have been a perfect entry for us on this bullish candle here on the 30-minute. Look at that 30-minute candle close. That would have been our perfect entry, and right now you'd be up quite a bit. Okay, so that's a great example, guys, of how we understand market structure, right? Why was I anticipating a push out of this? We knew that we were in a channel. We knew that price was going to do something like that, and so price went exactly as expected. Now, do you guys also remember when I mentioned yesterday in the live stream, I said, guys, we may see price come back up and retest these highs? Why? Well, let's zoom back out. When you're in doubt, you zoom out, guys, and you look at the bigger picture. Again, we narrow this down to looking at the overall direction of the market. Where are we in the market? We're in a downwards channel, guys. We're in a downwards trend, right? So I know that maybe, like, again, you may be a scalper. You may be a day trader. You might be like, Pedro, but why do we have to always look at the... have to go back? It's because I want you guys to be successful in your trading, and to be able to be successful in your trading or have some sort of success, understand that looking at the higher time frames is going to be probably that little key, that extra little puzzle missing piece that will help you succeed in your trading. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Right? So this is something that you guys have to realize. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to read through the comments here. Give me 1 second here. Let's go. Let's go. Welcome to all of our new members, guys, that are tuning in. We're at 24 likes, guys. Can we get it to 30 likes? Let's go. Let's get it to 30 likes, guys. Also, for all of our new members, don't forget to hit that little notification bell, guys, so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. If you enjoy these live streams, guys, trust me, you don't want to miss out on them. So that's just kind of my overall outlook. Too quiet today. Gbpusd waiting used to be England on the weekend on Monday. Yes, crash. Growing together. Yes, let's go, team. We're growing together. That's the whole objective. K-Year, Nas. Yes, we're looking at Nas, my man. I've been so busy. I've been so much busy with my lane. Perfect. Yeah, okay, my man. No worries, no worries. It's always about finding the perfect time. And dedicating some time aside, guys. It's always important to put some time aside, guys. When you're trading, guys, you always want to dedicate some, guys, because trust me, if you're disciplined, if you're consistent, if you're willing to show up every day, even when it doesn't make sense, guys, I literally came here every day, and you guys know this. If you go back to my other previous live streams, you guys know this, that even when I was sick, I was still here on the live streams, guys, with you guys, right? Supporting you every step of the way, right? So, you know, there's no excuse, guys, in general, just talking in general. I'm not talking about anyone specific or anything, but there's no excuse, because trust me, as humans, sometimes we get, you know, we're busy, we're this, or we don't have time, but being able to set aside some time, even finding or making time, is what's going to help you overall long-term, guys. Trust me, because it was the same thing with me, guys. Finding time, finding that opportunity is very, very difficult. But you really just have to make the time. Okay, guys, so what are we looking at Nasdaq overall? Again, you know, the daily is bullish. We may see it just form, we might see it again retest this high again. Could be a possibility, like I mentioned before. Even on the 4-hour time frame, we may see it still push up a little bit higher. Now let's see here on the 1-hour time frame. Let's see. So we're creating this like little higher lows on the 1-hour time frame. As long as price is able to respect this level here, we can see this is a clear little upwards channel. This is also a level of support here. We can anticipate a continuation to the upside. Again, like I said, we may just see it come back up, create some sort of a similar move. Might not come up all the way, but if we start seeing some bearish price action, you know, we see, like, for example, a break of this level structure, then we can see price maybe coming back up. Now, we did get this retest. but we may come back and retest these lows. So we just have to be mindful, because we also have to realize that we are still in this downward channel, right? And to be honest, I'm not looking for buys until we actually break above this level and we get a strong momentum push above, probably retesting these highs up here, right? So I'm not looking for buys at all until we actually get that strong momentum, right? So you know, there's still a bit of a range. We still need to see a strong push and then a pullback, and then that's when we may see price start to shift, maybe consolidate. You know, could be a lot of things too, right? Because we also have to realize that yes, we're in a downwards channel, you know, but we are kind of like we need to create a new lower low, right? Until we don't create a new lower low, you know, because this is a little bit lower, this is considered a new lower low, but technically we have to create the first the next high lower high for us to see another leg down, right? If we don't create the next lower high, we won't create it until we start seeing price break below this level structure or continuation of sells, right? I don't really see it just yet, guys. Okay, let's continue on here, guys. Let's continue on. All right, guys, you guys with me here? You guys understanding that? Yes, that is right, Tom. Yes, that's correct. Yes, you don't, like, when you start doing counter trend trades, even if you have experience, even if whatever, you'll find that you'll still struggle, right? Your win rate will be much less than actually going with the trend. The trend is your friend, as funny or cliche that sounds. That's the reality of it, guys. It really does go in your favor because you're flowing with the market. And so that's something that you know, just take note of that. Realize that, you know, when you're trading, you don't want to be doing too much counter trend trade opportunities, because you will find that your win rate will go back down, right? So that's something that you do have to realize. Okay, so let's narrow this down. What are we looking overall with Nasdaq? We're in a downwards trend or downwards channel. We have been pushing upwards. However, again, I may see it come back up and retest these highs. That's kind of what I'm anticipating, I'll be honest. As long as Nasdaq is able to respect this level of support here, which is on the 1 hour time frame, I may just anticipate a continuation to the upside. I think it still has a little bit more juice to the upside, probably retesting these highs once more. We are at a level where there is a little bit of traffic, so even if we narrow it down to the 30-minute, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Look, we got resistance, a little bit of support here. So this is a level where price has rejected it in the past. So if we get a rejection of this level structure and we get a break of this kind of like upwards little channel, then yes, we can definitely anticipate a pullback down to this lower level, right? So we may see a break. We just wait for a retest. So we want to see a strong momentum push. We wait for a retest as a confirmation, and then we can look for selling opportunities for Nasdaq, as long as we respect this level structure. Now, we are seeing rejection of this level, and if we see, for example, price come back up, let's say it comes back up to this high here, right, and it fails to break above, then we're seeing some sort of a double top formation happen, and then we can probably get in on the next leg instead of waiting for the retest, right? So we got a better entry up here. We, you know, manage our risk and we look for selling opportunity. Okay, did you guys understand that? Yes, if you did, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. I really do appreciate it. Also, let me know in the chat box below. Welcome to all of our new members that are tuning in, guys. I see a couple new family members joining the live stream. Let's get it, guys. Okay, Pacoli, what will happen with Black Friday? Not sure, my man. Not sure. We can't really determine anything, any news or anything that happens, guys. We can't really determine. We work what we have. We work after we get the news. Okay, guys, so let's move on. So that's kind of what I'm looking at there. Let's take a look at AUUSD, and then we'll look at GJ and a couple other pairs, guys. Okay, so we're gonna focus on a couple of different pairs here. So remember what we were looking at with AUUSD. We were in a downwards channel. However, as I mentioned, guys, we were seeing price come up to this level and we wanted to see a rejection. Although we were seeing, you know, the bull start to lose its control, this was an anticipation that we were looking for sell opportunities. I set my alert. The alert didn't go off. We were looking for sell opportunities below this level structure. Okay, we didn't get that. That's fine. That's why we put the alerts, because alerts will tell us that we've broken this level structure. We wait for confirmation, right? Wait for confirmation. That's why I don't get in on a you know what I mean? I don't set like a sell limit or something like that, because in this case we need to realize that price you know, could come back down and then wake back up, right? So if that's something that we do need to realize, this is why I only set alerts. I don't focus on other stuff, right? We wait for that strong momentum push, we wait for the retracement, and then we get in on selling opportunities. Okay, we didn't see that. That's fine. We were trending to the upside. We came and stalled at this level, and we actually pushed with a strong momentum push. Okay, so now let's focus on current price action. Where are we? Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. What are we looking at overall on the 4-hour time frame? To be honest, this is the highs on the 4-hour time frame. Even on the daily, you probably see it create some sort of a double top. Yes, it is creating a double top. We're also at a major level of structure, guys. This is a major level of resistance. Okay, and on the daily, by the way, and we have been kind of in this downwards trend, this downward slope. So what am I seeing? I'll be honest with you guys. We may see, especially because we are kind of rejecting this level, one or two things really happen. Like, I mean, you can draw this like this, if you will, right? And we're just slightly, just a tad bit above it, right? So if we see this like this, we can see that we are kind of at this top of this downwards channel. We're also at a major level of resistance. We're also on the daily forming some sort of a double top formation. You guys see how this all works in confluence. We're pretty much just retesting this high, and I kind of mentioned that as well too, guys, that we may see AUUSD come back and retest these highs. I cleared the charts just so that you guys could see it with more clarity. Okay, you guys see that double top on the daily? So now that we know that as long as price may potentially reject this level, I'm not looking for sells yet, but we want to narrow it down and see what current price action is telling us, right? So in reality of it, you know, we are still you know, kind of trending slightly upwards here. Okay, and I want to see price respect this level structure, right? In terms of resistance, I want to see price reject this level structure. Okay, this upwards resistance area, we need to see a rejection of this level. Pretty much where I have this notification as well, but we also have to look at the bigger picture, right? What are we looking at in the bigger picture? Really consider selling opportunities. Okay, so we may just be still stuck in a range, right? So we have to realize that, right? But that doesn't mean that we won't get in on the 30-minute or on the 15-minute and get in on perfect sell setups. Okay, so now that we know on the far time frame, this is kind of where we are in the market. Nice. So we know we're at a major resistance level on the daily, or a daily resistance level. We are also on the far time frame coming to that major level structure. In the 1-hour time frame, we can see that we are getting some bearish price action as well. You know, even if we get a break below this level here, this is a level that I want to see for selling opportunities. If we break below this level of structure here, we're definitely looking for selling opportunities, and we might just see price come back down to this lower level. Let's see how much of a range we would have anyways. We would be talking about over 114, 117 pips, right? And you know, you'd only have to be risking 20 pips. Again, it's up to you if you really want to, you know, get in on a sell opportunity here. But again, it's to me, I want to wait for confirmation, right? I want to see strong momentum push down. Then I wait for the retest back up to this level, and then we look for selling opportunities, target the lows. You know, even if we get down over here, that's still 90 pips, right? It's a 90 pip move. You know, that's kind of what I'm looking at. Now, if we break above these highs over here, then that changes my complete overall setup, and we're looking for buying opportunities, guys. Okay, that's literally what we do, and we just wait for price to come back up and retest that level structure with a momentum push. We need the volume though. That's just something that we need to realize. We need that strong momentum push with volume, and then we wait for the retest. It's that simple, guys. Okay, obviously I teach you guys, you know, my overall hasn't closed. And to be honest with you, even on the 4-hour time frame, I don't really see huge bearish price action. To be honest with you, I may see some sort of a small little pullback, probably down to these lows over here, but we may see a push to the upside, right? We were anticipating, as long as price respected this level, we were anticipating a continuation to the downside. However, we actually broke above, right? We retested these highs once more, and we're even seeing right now, although we have the bears in control, we are seeing the bulls fighting to push price back up, right? So we may just anticipate price to continue to go higher. Maybe we may see a small little retracement, could be a possibility. Again, that's the 4-hour time frame. Let's take a look here on the 1 hour. And so yeah, like, I mean, let's see here. This is where we can use you know, some extra added confluence here. We could use, like, for example, the 20 moving average, the 50 moving average. And what are we seeing price kind of tell us here? Well, you know, like I said, we may see a little bit more of a complex pullback. We are kind of trending to the upside. However, we may see price come back down to this lower level that I mentioned and retest our 50 moving average before we see one or two things happen. Either break below this level and we form a double top on the higher time frames, like on the daily, and that confirms a bearish double top on the daily, or we may just see a little bit of a complex. There's scenarios, guys. We have to look at the picture as always. Okay, guys. Okay. So, guys, we got, okay, let's go, Tom. Gold on odd. Pedro, you're on fire today. My analysis is the same earlier, but not as good. Hey, that's awesome, my man. Let's go, Tom. Thank you so much, brother. Thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate the love, appreciate the support. And but that's good. If your analysis is really close to mine, then that is telling you that you're doing something right. And it doesn't mean that just because my analysis or whatever is only right. No. You guys know that, right? You guys know that everyone has a different way of trading, guys, and you'll find your own edge. So don't feel bad if you're trading differently than the way I look at the markets and stuff like that. On the contrary, use what I teach as an something where you can mix it in with your trading and kind of go from there, right? So guys, welcome to all of our new members, guys. We got a couple new members joining in, guys. Welcome to La Family. Welcome to La Familia. I appreciate you all very much, guys. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking at for Euro USD right now. We got a cross of the moving average on the higher time frame. So the 4-hour, we got a cross. Like I said, I'll be honest, we may see Euro USD actually push up. Right? We may see it. And again, I don't really see a trade yet. Like, I don't see anything. I don't want to force a trade, if that makes sense. You guys get what I'm saying, right? I don't want to force something. There's just nothing I see right now at this given time other than this double top on the daily, right? This double top on the daily. But even then, like, it's looking really bullish. Like, for a daily candle, although the bears are fighting, this is still looking bullish, guys. You know what I mean? The 20 is already kind of really close here. So by the time, even if we come back down, the 20 will be retesting it, and we may see it just kind of range, or we may see it actually form this double bottom. So this double top, maybe to come down and retest these lows. Maybe. But even then, if it's too bullish and the dollar is weak, which, remember, the dollar, we were talking about the dollar losing its strength, right? To make gold go back, right? I'm not saying that's the case, but we were potentially anticipating that, right? And but we also have to realize, this is what I'm telling you, we're at double top, but we're also at a major level of structure, resistance area, right? So this is kind of how we look at it in the bigger picture. We know that we're at the major level structure, 4-hour time frame. Again, I'm not looking for selling opportunities until we break below, at least I would say, this level here. And like, look how it's retracing. Even if you would have gone on sells, right, price could come back up and then push up higher, right? So you really have to be careful, guys, with the markets, right? Sometimes you'll see opportunities, sometimes you won't. Even if I narrow this down to the 1 hour, or I narrowed it down to the 30-minute or 15-minute, I don't see a trade opportunity, guys. I'll be honest with you, I really don't. Other than maybe just, again, a buy, a retest of these highs, and a probably potential break, right? A lot of traffic here, right? So maybe even retesting these highs here. I could see it retesting the high for sure. You see price euro USD coming back up. Again, that's nothing. That's like the range is probably, yeah, it's like 26 pips. Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. You guys understanding that? Yes, yes, no, yes. Okay. If you guys understood that explanation, guys, do me a huge solid, guys, and smash that like button, guys. Or if you already liked this video, leave me a fire emoji. 26 likes. We're almost at 30 likes, guys. More, guys. All right, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. See a couple new members joining in, guys. We're gonna focus on Gbpusd, guys. Let's move on to Gbpusd. What's going on with Gbpusd? Where are we with Gbpusd? Let's remove the moving averages. Let's focus on basic market structure, which is the most important thing, right? Let's go up to the higher time frames. Where are we in the market? Where are we in the markets, guys? Okay, look at this. So again, similar move. We were kind of in this channel. It was slowly creating, look, lower highs, right? And then price came back down, lower low, then price came back up. And this is a potential, again, it could be a potential lower high because it still hasn't broken this high yet, right? But we also have to just realize that if we move it down like this, because this could also be a fake out here. If we move it down like this is kind of the more correct way of saying. And let me move this a bit higher, right? So we got to break above this level too. So we also have to realize that, you know, this is makes more sense because this is a level that price actually broke above. Look at this level here. Look at this extra highlighted area I have. Look how much support, and so many support areas. And then now look, it retested it as resistance. Look, as I move this highlighted area, look, resistance, 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 support now, right? So we pierced above it, right? We got the pullback that we were anticipating. We actually even broke above this level highs, but we kind of broke down below. So we're seeing kind of some sort of a bearish sentiment overall. We're not seeing the bulls take control at this given time. To be honest with you, Gbpusd to me is just stuck in a range right now. So we've broken above these highs. We're not looking for sells. We're not looking for buys. We're just, this is kind of like the high of the range here at this given time. Okay. And this is the low of the range. It's just that simple, guys. Just kind of what we're looking at. Okay. We're in a range for Gbpusd. And let me clear the charts because this is looking really choppy, not the way I like to look at the market. You always want to clear the charts, guys, so you have more clarity, right? This is, at least that's what I find helps with me, is when I clear the charts, it gives me clarity, right? I don't want to be too many indicators, too much things going on all at once. We want to have clarity when we're looking at the markets, guys. Okay. It's Pippin. Let's go. We got those fire. Yes, we got the fire. Let's go. We're at 28, guys. We're at 28 likes. Can we get it to 30, guys? If we get it to 40 likes, I'm gonna stay on for a little bit longer, guys, and we can kind of focus on a couple stuff, guys. Also, if you want me to look over your charts, let me know, guys. Share me the link, your TradingView link, through the Telegram group. Also, I'm gonna actually put, I didn't even put it on here, guys. Join the free Telegram group, guys. We have an amazing community on my Telegram. We have a Blessed Traders Academy. It's absolutely free to join. This is my Telegram group that we've created. So make sure you guys join in, guys. It's absolutely free to join. I'm gonna put the link here in the chat box, or you can also find the link in the video description below. But that's our free Telegram group, guys. I have seen crazy how, you know, people have been growing, traders, you know, helping other traders. It's just, it's a beautiful thing. I'm telling you, it's so nice to see. Very, very clean. You know what I mean? I do monitor that chat. There's no bots, nothing like that. So it's very, very clean, where you guys can ask thing there. Also, guys, looking to level up on trading, check out my VIP inner circle, guys. I have you know, a good little nice intimate group there. You know, maybe you're struggling with your trading, whatever the case is, you want to take the trade opportunities that I take, the trade setups, everything, live Zoom calls. Check it out. I got my inner circle. The link is in the video description there below as well. There we go. We got Tom Brooks. Let's see that clarity. Gbpusd looks like a double top on the 1 hour, but if we look further, not retracing yet. Yes, exactly. So that's what I'm talking about, guys. Once you have that clarity, you're able to realize what you're looking at, right? So even right now though, I would personally stay out. The reason why I would stay out is because look at this choppiness here, right? This choppiness right over here on the left is going to reciprocate on this side over here. So it's going to literally determine the turbulence we're going to face once we see price come up here. Okay, you guys see that, guys? This is straight gold. I'm like literally teaching you guys my golden nuggets here, and you know what I mean? Like, come on guys, come on. I'm teaching you guys straight nuggets, and as you guys know, guys, I'm here to provide you as much value as possible. I'm here every single day live, guys, providing you free value. Guys, we're at 29 likes. If we can get it to 40 likes, I'm gonna stick around for a couple more, I would say probably a half an hour more, if you guys want me to stay here. If you guys want me to stay, guys, smash that like button for me. And also, guys, don't forget, for all of our new members that are joining in, don't forget to hit that little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. Sometimes I come in on the evenings, guys, and I surprise you guys. So I do join the pre-London session, or the Asian session, if you will. And I know that there's another group of people that really appreciate that, and they enjoy when I do come in on the evenings as well. I haven't done it in a while, so I may be doing that as well. So if you don't want to miss a single live stream, guys, don't forget to subscribe, but hit that little notification, okay? Guys, let's continue on. So what are we looking at overall, right? We need to realize that the traffic that we see here on the left-hand side will replicate how price will relate at this level. So we can anticipate retest. We want to retest this now level of resistance, the resistance area of the ranging area as a level of support. Then we can anticipate a continuation to the upside. Okay, it's literally, this will be that added confluence of, okay, yes, we're looking for buys now, right? Once price comes back up, back down, it'll come back down and retest it. Trust me, it will retest price will retest that level once more before it actually pushes to the upside, right? In the meantime though, look at this level, how we're able to spot this out as a level, major level support. This is also a level of resistance. So this is the previous ranging area is being retested as a resistance area at this given time, right? So right now, I don't see a trade opportunity. Even if we narrow it down to the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, doesn't matter. I don't see a trade opportunity at this given time for Gbpusd, guys. I really don't. I mean, if you want it, the only other way you can trade a market like this is trading the lows of the range or the highs of the range. And I've taught you guys this all the time, right? Look at this. This was kind of like a head and shoulders pattern formation. So what did we see? Head and shoulder range. And then what did we see? Price melted, right? So that's how we can trade it. But other than that, all right. Okay, you guys understanding that? Yes, 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 no, yes. Guys, if you understood that, let me know. Let me know in the chat box below, and also smash that like button for me, guys. We're at 29 likes, guys. I guess this is it. I I guess you know, we'll be calling it a live stream then, because I didn't get we weren't able to get to the 40 likes, guys. I might have to call it a morning. If you guys want me to stay a little bit longer, guys, let's get it to 40 likes, guys. I really do appreciate it. It does support the channel, and as you know, I'm here to help you guys as much as possible. I want you guys to be, you know, successful in your trading, and you know, I'm here to support you. I'm here every day, every single day, guys. All right, guys, we're at 29 likes. Let's go. Okay, let's continue on. Let's go on to GJ. That's kind of what I'm looking at. Gbpusd. Let's go on to GJ. What are we looking at? GJ is looking very, very choppy at this given time. So you know, we kind of broke out this downwards channel. However, we're kind of at a level. Remember, I told you guys this at the beginning of the live stream. We're kind of at a lower level, which, because we're pretty much at the resistance level, sorry, support level, but the highs of the range on the higher time frame. So if we go to the 4-hour time frame, right, this is the range over here. Even if we go on the daily, it's probably more clear, right? This is the highs of the range, okay? And price is literally retesting this level right now, this support level per se. But you can see in the past, it's a major level structure that price has respected multiple times. Look, we got resistance, resistance, right? Resistance, resistance. Trying to break below, probably retest the low of the range. However, price is still, the bulls are still trying to push price higher, right? So that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. I'll be honest with you, I may just see GJ range for a bit, which kind of goes in confluence with even Gbpusd, right? I see a lot of these British pound pairs range. We're already seeing here, even on the 4-hour time frame, look at that candle there. It's very, very indecisive, a lot of indecision. You know, the bulls are in control. However, the bulls, the bears are in control. However, the bulls are still fighting back. You see that huge wick right there, right? Getting that reaction support, right? I kind of drew this like this because I said one of two things could happen, guys. Really, we could come back up, create a double top, and then push down and finally pierce below this level structure, which is a support level currently. And then we wait for the retest and look for selling opportunities to the bottom of the range on the higher time frame, right? This is a trend within a trend. You really have to really understand it, and it all comes together, guys, once you start understanding market structure and how it moves. Am I using an indicator? No. What am I focusing on, guys? I'm focusing on price action. I'm focusing on how to look at the markets the most simplified way, and you guys could clearly see it, right? We got Tom Brooks. If you haven't watched this, I may be stopped out of this on tomorrow. Thanks. Let's go. Sorry, I'm feeling the chat. We'll be banned soon. No, not at all. No, you're not gonna get banned at all. Not at all, Tom. Guys, we're at 33 likes, guys. I need to see it get to 40 likes for me to stay, guys. We got 5 minutes left. Do you guys want me to stay on this live stream? Yes. If you guys really do enjoy these, I really do appreciate it. Right now, don't forget to hit the little notification bell and click all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream. I can't stress that enough, guys. I'm telling you, you don't want to miss out on these live streams, guys. You know what I mean? When the opportunity arises, right? I might come on the evenings and surprise you guys, so I don't want you guys to miss out. Also, guys, check out my recommended broker. This is my recommended broker. I know a lot of you guys reach out and ask me, so check it out. Encore, welcome, has subscribed to the channel. Welcome, my man. Welcome to La Familia. Appreciate you. Like I said, big family, guys. You know, I don't call you guys subscribers or anything like that. I don't see you guys as just another number. We are one big family, guys, and we are growing day by day. So let's kill it, guys. Let's kill these markets together. So yeah, guys, if you're looking for a good, reliable broker that is regulated, which is important, even if you go with my broker or not. Okay, I'm not telling you to go with my broker, by the way, but I'm just sharing the link here because I know a lot of people do ask me about it. They are Australian. They have amazing customer service and they're regulated. Those two things right off the bat is huge. And their spreads are very, very tight, which I do like. And I know every other broker will probably tell you the same thing, but check it out for yourself. You have nothing to lose, to be honest. So yeah, anyways, the link is right there. I put it in the chat box below. Also, guys, all of our new members, I'm going to highlight, yeah, I'm gonna put here the link to the Telegram group, guys. I can't stress, we have an amazing community on Telegram, guys. Make sure you guys check out our Telegram group. It's absolutely free to join. So make sure you guys join in on our Telegram group. I called it Blessed Traders Academy because we are blessed, guys. We are blessed to have another day. We are blessed to be here. We're blessed to be alive. The fact that you're watching this live stream right now on your phone, on your computer, wherever you are, guys, that's a blessing in itself, guys. So just a nice little daily reminder. Just remember how blessed you are. Count your blessings, and trust me, you will be so much more thankful, realizing how much more you have in your life, right? So GJ, at this given time, again, to be honest with you, I may just be looking at potential buying opportunities because we're at this lower end of the range. But again, it's just very choppy, guys. I don't really want to trade this. I'll be honest. I don't really see anything that catches my eye. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, even look at that. If it comes back down, that's still 40 pips. So it's not even, no, this is yeah, better entry is like a little bit lower. If it comes back down and retests this low again and it rejects it, then this would be a much better entry down here. Down here. Yeah. Even across the moving averages on the 30-minute, we may actually see a break below. Could be, but because we are also breaking out of this channel, right? So got Tom. Let's go, Tom. Reverse stream. Pedro, of high value. Keep up the good work. My bet is calling now 1 a.m. down and under. Good night, all. Tom, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate all the support and all the love. And I will see you tomorrow. Let's get it. Get some rest. Get some rest. Let's go. All right, guys. So it is 9 a.m. here in Canada. So guys, I need to be at 40 likes. If you want me to stay, I need to get 40 likes, guys. Can we get likes? We're at 33 likes, guys. Let's go. Also, welcome to all of our new members that are tuning in. All of our new family members, guys. Welcome to the family. Let's get it, guys. So, you know, the markets are definitely slow today. I'm going to take these moving averages. You want to focus on just price action, guys. Trust me, I teach this all the time. When you focus on price action, bless you, babe. Okay, do you see GBPUS? Do you guys see how at the beginning of the live stream I told you guys we still have a little bit more push to the upside, right? We were looking like we could have pulled back, right? But do you see now this candle here? This is looking bullish for the 4-hour. Now I can anticipate perfect continuation for buys, and I think it's going to retest these highs. I'll be honest with you. Let's see how much of a range we have actually too. Yeah, guys, we still have over like 95 pips if we wanted to. Let's see how much you'd be risking here. So let's say if you need to do like 30 pip stop for buy opportunities, this would be a good setup, guys. Right? We look for buy opportunities here. You just got to manage. Obviously price could still pull back. We have really extended, so it's a little bit more higher risk, but this is kind of what I see. I see a good potential, still a little bit of a push to the upside. Look, we could potentially even catch 100 pips because we still could wick out. We could create a huge wick, huge impulsive move, right? We do a 30 pip stop. Look at that. We got a 3.3 risk reward ratio, guys, right there, right off the bat, right? And just realize, right, guys, the market could do anything at any given time, right? So we just have to realize that there's a level of risk involved always, right? But this is why you don't overtrade. This is why you if you have a smaller account, guys, know your lot sizes. Know how much you're willing to put in, right? On to put on the table. So it's pulling back, so this is a good entry point. Even if it takes a while and it slowly goes up, it's still a good opportunity, guys. Still a good opportunity. All right, guys. So let's continue on. We'll leave that as is for now. Yeah, like I said, we'll leave that as is for now. A little bit of indecision there, but overall, as long as it respects this level of support, we can anticipate one more push to the upside. Let's take a look at gold. What's going on with gold? Yeah, gold is still a little bit rangy, but not too bad. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm looking at gold potentially breaking below here. One sec. Gold's looking like good sells, even if you set your stops just like, 20 pip stop right there. And you target, I would say targeting the lows. Say you target this lower level here. 100 pip. Gold is looking like good sells, I'll be honest with you. This is just my outlook, I'll be honest. And then let's see if the dollar is gaining strength. Yeah, the dollar's looking like it's slowly gaining strength, guys. Be a good gold sell opportunity, guys. Welcome to all of our new members, guys. Welcome to La Familia. Appreciate you guys very, very much. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Also, guys, if you're new to the family, guys, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Comment below. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Don't be shy. Okay, so I'm gonna look probably, and I'll be honest, because there's not, obviously I know Thanksgiving does affect, especially in the States, but if the risk here a little bit is a little bit higher, but I'm looking for sell opportunities here, guys, for gold, right? Just want to manage your risk though, guys, as always. Right? Always manage your risk. Do like a 20 pip stop. This is the highs over here. Okay. Let's see. And then just let it do its thing, right? This is a little bit longer term. I'd personally just wait for the candle closure. However, this is kind of what I'm seeing. I'm seeing just bearish price action overall, even on the 1 hour time frame. So we'll let it do its thing there, guys. But yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at overall, guys. Let's see, guys. We're at 33 likes. Let's go, guys. Can we get it to 40 likes? Can we get this? So, obviously, like I said, because of the holidays, it's gonna be slow for sure. Definitely gonna be slow. Waiting for this to refresh, guys. Okay, so guys, yeah, so this is kind of what we're looking at overall. Again, obviously this would be a early entry, right? It's even, you know, sticking with your trading plan is really important, obviously, right? I mean I've been doing this for 6 years, right? Obviously I would probably get in a little bit on a more aggressive entry. This is a little bit more aggressive. But I'm waiting for price, and I'm doing really low risk. Because again, they have Thanksgiving in the States, there's holidays, market's slow. But I do see gold retracing lower, right? This is the 1 hour time frame, so it's quite significant. Even on the 4 hour time frame, we're seeing bearish candle form here. So we can anticipate some sort of a pullback. Even if we pull our moving averages here, you know, we can anticipate even on the 4 hour, let's say the 4 hour time frame, look at this. We can anticipate there's a cross of the moving averages. We can anticipate probably price come back down and retest this level, especially because we're at this neckline as well too, guys. So keep that in mind. Like I told you guys, even without the moving averages, price action's telling us that we should anticipate some sort of a rejection, especially of this neckline to the downside. However, again, it's just all up to your comfort level, what you're comfortable, right? We're already kind of going into profits at this given time, but again, I'm not saying it's going to go all the way down, right? We may see it slowly start, because again, the markets are really slow, you know, go in that direction. But that's overall my outlook, guys. Fabian, is it not bank holidays? Yes, it is, my man. It is bank holidays, I think, if I'm not wrong. I know that they're in Thanksgiving. Let's go. We got Metzia. Are you in? Yes, I am. A little bit more higher risk for sure, guys. But again, super, if you were to consider it, remember, don't overtrade, you know, manage your risk, low lot size, right? Okay. But again, I'm just showing you guys what I'm seeing, but we can't be forcing trades, okay, guys? We can't. If the market's not giving us anything, it's not giving us anything, right? An echo, not bad. Definitely selling. Too early though. Yep, like I said, it's a little bit more higher risk. You know, I've been doing it for 6 years, guys. It's you know, you have to get into trades that you guys feel comfortable, right? If you don't feel comfortable, then don't get into it. That's simple, okay, guys? Also, don't be afraid of the markets too, guys. You also have to realize that as traders, when you're starting out, a lot of times a lot of traders are scared, right? Being scared also isn't going to help you make money when trading, right? You have to realize that, you know, scared money won't make you money. And that's part of another thing, right? So just be confident in your trading plan. As you grow as a trader, you need to be confident in what you're looking at in the markets. But also, if the markets, for example, if gold doesn't go in your favor, or the trade that you take on GU or whatever, any pair doesn't go in your favor, don't take it on the markets. It has nothing to do with the markets, and it has nothing to do with you in that end. The markets will do its own thing. It's like a train, right? You hop on the train. If you see the opportunity, you get in. You're like, okay, this train's going to California. I need to get to California. But you can't be like, okay, I'm going to try and shift this train to go to Florida. It's just not going to happen, right?
the direction of the train is to California. You hop out or whatever, and let's say we're gonna somehow pass by Florida and I need to get to Florida, so I'll get off at Florida. You know what I mean? So it's like, we can't force or change the direction of the market, but we can move with the market. That's the whole idea. Robertson, I don't know what you're trying to say, my man, but welcome guys. Welcome to all the new members that are joining in, all the new family members that are tuning in, guys. Welcome. We're at 30 to 35 likes. Let's go, guys. Let's go. As you guys know, we're live every single day, Monday through Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I appreciate you all very, very much. You know what I mean? You know, if you're looking to learn, honestly, it's absolutely free to join, guys. It's free to come on the live streams and learn, guys. I'm telling you, you really have to and study, guys, and really put in the work. Okay, guys, so it is our markets are gold is already kind of going in our favor. Again, this is a little bit more longer term. I'll just let it do its thing again. But I kind of my outlook, I'll be honest, this is my outlook on gold. Overall, I do think it's going to be pulling back, right? We are kind of even in this 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, you know, we are kind of failing to create a higher high. We are looking pretty bearish, even on the 4 hour time frame as well is looking pretty darn bearish. So again, as a trader, you just kind of scope out these opportunities when you see it. You know, it is definitely a more aggressive entry, but you can already see once I see this going to like 10-15 pips, I'm already in profits. But once I see it you know, to a little bit more deeper profits, then we can move it your stop loss to entry. So the price ends up going against us, it's all count on here, guys. So you know, don't forget to join in. But also, guys, if you're new, don't forget to also join my free Telegram. I have an amazing community on my Telegram, guys. I called it Blessed Traders Academy because obviously we are blessed, guys. We're blessed for another opportunity. We're blessed for another day. And so yeah, Blessed Traders Academy, guys, you can join in. I'll put the link there in the chat box. You can click that link and join the family through there as well. Guys, also if you're looking to level up on your trading, whatever the case is, guys, maybe you're struggling or you're hoping to learn how to you know, level up on your trading. Maybe you've been trading for 2-3 years and you're just still not becoming profitable. Whatever the case is, guys, you guys can see my track record. You can go back and watch my previous live streams, guys, how we've caught perfect trade opportunities in the live streams, guys, like literally back-to-back trades. And if you want to take these trades, you want to know when to get in, when to get out, guys, I have my VIP inner circle where I share my signals and analysis, and I also do live monthly Zoom calls. Right now, you know, everyone's doing the whole Black Friday thing, so I said, you know what, heck, why not? I'll give you guys, help you guys out, bless someone else. Right now I've got Black Friday pricing, so check it out. If you want to join in, or you've been, you know, contemplating to join in, I have some people that have really wanted to join in, but you know, some people can't afford it, or whatever the case is, guys. It's my prices are very, very fair, and you know what I mean, it requires a lot of my personal time to be able to doing live Zoom calls. Even just doing these YouTube live streams every day is my time, guys, that I put in to help you guys level up on your trading. And actually the fact that I'm sharing it is a big deal, guys. So, but again, like I said, when you give is such a better blessing. It's such a better feeling to be able to give. And I teach this, guys, all the time, and I tell you guys, the fact that I'm here sharing with you guys, and I get messages every day, people telling me, Pedro, your live streams have helped me so much. or, you know, my students in my inner circle that have been able to see a huge difference in their trading is such a blessing as a whole. And it's a blessing enough to give you enough purpose, guys. And I'm telling you guys, purpose driven goals and motivation is huge, guys. When you have a purpose, when you have a why, maybe that why is your family, maybe that why is you want to provide for your kids, you want to provide for your, you know, your whoever, your wife, your parents, you want to give back, whatever the case is. The fact that you're learning this skill set, guys, and you know your why is strong enough. I'm tired of being in the same position I'm in. I'm tired of you know, struggling with my trading, or I'm tired of, you know, struggling working a 9 to 5. Whatever the case is, guys, I want you guys to know that you have a community here you can count on, but also that you are capable of doing it. It's only up to you if you're willing to put in the work and actually study. You know, I put in the work, put in hours and hours of work, and I'm not close, by the way, just to clear the waters. I'm not even close to where I want to personally be, by the way. So I'm not telling you, hey, like, you know, I'm living this whole lifestyle, because it's not the case, right? But I'm at a point where I could be like, hey, okay, I'm good. You know what I mean? But you have to realize that this has taken me lots and years of practice to really understand the markets as a language, guys. It becomes a second nature, it becomes a language. And let me tell you, once you understand how to trade, once you learn this skill set, guys, it's so rewarding. I'm telling you, it's so rewarding. It pays itself. It's insane. But anyways, moving on, guys, we can see the opportunities that we can take, guys, the financial freedom that you can acquire when trading, guys. And that's why I'm saying, guys, I'm only one person. I do these live streams. I provide you guys absolute value every single day. Come live here every day at 7 a.m. I'm here, guys, consistently, right? So just the fact that I'm here, that requires a lot of my own time, the editing, the upkeep, the, you know, all the type of, man, there's so many subscription programs to keep a live stream running. It's insane. The software, this, that, you know what I mean? But it's the reward of being able to create this huge community and seeing it grow. Like right now, I'm a small YouTuber. I've only got 1,000 subscribers, but being able to see how people and the messages is so much more rewarding than anything else, guys. Being able to see that little seed that you planted, that seed, and you bless someone in one way or another is such a blessing, guys. You know what I mean? So anyways, if you want to know a little bit more about me, guys, check out my website as well. I'm going to put the link here in the chat box as well, guys. If you want to just get to know me a little bit more, it's obviously, I didn't put my whole entire life story, you know, in the website or in the bio, because it's kind of hard to fit everything in there. But if you want to just get to know me a little bit more, guys, check out my website. Also follow me on all my social medias, guys, at official Pedro FX. All of them are the same. Official Pedro FX. You can find it on my banner, on my YouTube banner. You'll see it there as well if you forget. Yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. In terms of like the follow me on my socials and all that type of stuff. But guys, the markets are slow. Overall, you know, I don't really see any big moves happening. We've got the holidays coming out right now. People in the States, you know, we've got the Thanksgiving. We just had Thanksgiving in Canada a little while back. So, you know, I don't anticipate any big moves or anything like this for today. Other than, like I said, I just saw gold probably just retracing and pulling back. That's something that I am looking for gold to do. But like I said, guys, if you're new to the family, below and hitting that notification bell and clicking all notifications so you don't miss a single live stream, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys join the family. I appreciate you all very, very much. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Also, guys, like I said, if you're struggling with your trading or you want that extra mentorship, that, guys, I'm telling you, the inner circle I've created is amazing, guys. We do live monthly Zoom calls where I go over your charts, where I explain or answer any questions. We have a separate group chat where if you have any questions you have, I can answer your questions, guys, go over your charts with you. And we have that separate group chat. And any trades I take, when I get in, when I get out, it's all there, guys. The information is there. But let me tell you, just to kind of clear the waters as well, too. Welcome, guys. I see a couple more people. Swantish MS, welcome. You has just subscribed to the family. Welcome, my man. Welcome. Let me tell you guys, by the way, right? The nice thing about this example, my inner circle, is that I actually invest my personal time into it. And I did that when I first started. When I first started trading, guys, to get to where I am, or at least the knowledge that I have today, it took hours and hours of study, and it took thousands and thousands of dollars that I spent to get to where I am today. So it's in the work. If you're willing to show up every day, put it aside 2 hours after you're done work, after you're done your 9 to 5, after you're done whatever, to actually study the charts and actually dive in deeper. For example, this live stream, once we're done this live stream, go back and watch my other live streams, guys. Take trades, literally take trades almost every day in the live streams. Go and watch how we take these opportunities, but watch it from beginning to end, and you'll realize how I look at the markets. And if I've helped you in any way possible, guys, like I said, if you want to level up or you want that extra mentorship, my inner circle's there, but also the free group chat, guys, in itself is amazing. I monitor it daily. I have my bots that are consistently checking, so there's no spams or anything like that, guys. So you can literally like network with other traders, which is amazing as well too, and that is free to join. Putting the link there as well for the free Telegram. And so yeah, check that out, guys. Also, guys, if you're new to the family, introduce yourself or comment, guys. Leave a comment. I read every single comment, guys. I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you guys. Guys, for my broker, it's regulated. I only recommend to go regulated broker. Be with you guys. I've had unregulated brokers in the past. They do manipulate sometimes the markets. The spreads are super high, so I don't really recommend that. Always try and find a regulated broker you can trust. Guys, we're at 34 likes. Can we get it to 40 likes? Let's go, guys. But I'm gonna put the link there for my broker. If you sign up, there's a sign up bonus. I don't know all the details. Again, I'm not really so focused so much on that, but I know I have had some people reach out. They're like, Pedro, what broker do you use? Their name is Blueberry Markets, and like I said, if you sign up with my link and you open an account, you'll get a sign up bonus with it. And they're regulated. Number one, they're Australian, so they're really nice customer service, and they got really tight spreads, guys. Okay guys, so that is all I have for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all very much, guys. You guys have an amazing and blessed day. I hope you have an amazing weekend as well, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're new to the family, don't forget to hit the little notification bell. Also, guys, like I said, if you're looking for mentorship, that one by one, step-by-step mentorship and guidance, and you want to take the exact same trades I take, guys, check out my inner circle, guys. I'm telling you right now, I have a Black Friday sale, and I hopped in like everyone else, I guess, with the whole Black Friday thing. But I'm like, you know what? If that's going to be a blessing to someone, that's going to be a blessing to you, and maybe you just want to try it out. Check it out, guys. Trust me, the only best investment is investing in yourself, in knowledge. Knowledge is power, and once you have knowledge, trust me, guys, you can do this type of stuff on your own. Look at GJ. Remember I told you guys GJ buys? Look at, I have this over 60 pip potential move. Just a great example of what I'm anticipating and how price can go in our favor, guys. Look at GJ yesterday, guys, right? Almost hit our stop loss, but I was, guys, trust me, it's at a major level of structure. It will probably come back down. Price melted exactly in our favor, over 57 pips. Quick in and out trade. A great example how price respected our analysis. But again, sometimes price won't go in our favor. You have to realize that too, guys. But when you understand how to read market structure, trust me, guys, you will learn how to scope out the opportunities and how to become consistently profitable. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you have an amazing and blessed day, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining the family, and I will see you guys tomorrow exactly at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.